In this video, we are going to understand the trick to find out the LCM of the fractions of the given number within 5 seconds. Hello my awesome students, welcome back to my channel Akshar. I am Naina and I usually make videos related to Vedic math. On my channel you can find a lot of tricks related to multiplication, addition, subtraction, LCM, how to find out LCM and how to find out HCF of the given numbers. So please do like, share and subscribe my channel so that you can get more updates of my videos. So let us start our today's topic, which is how to find out LCM of fractions of numbers, right? If the numbers are given in fraction, then how we are going to find out the LCM of the numbers. So I have made another video that how to find out LCM and HCF of simple numbers. So you can see that video first if you want to know that how to find out LCM and HCF of the simple numeric numbers, integers. Okay, so because we are going to use that trick also, that how to find out LCM and HCF, right? So to find out LCM of the fraction of the number, no new trick is there, just is that LCM of the fraction is given by the formula which you can use, that LCM of numerator divided by HCF of denominator. Okay, so if you know the trick how to find out LCM of numerator with the trick and how to find out HCF of any numbers with the trick, then you can easily find out the LCM of any fraction. Okay, so my numerator is what? My numerator is 4 and 3. So for that, what we do, if I have to find out LCM of 4 and 3, so what we do in our trick, we imagine that our bigger number is our LCM. Let us imagine that my bigger number is my LCM. So let us imagine that 4 is my LCM. So is 4 is divided by 3 or not? No. So what I will do, I will write down the factors of 3, which is equal to 3 into 1. So now I will multiply my 4 by 3. I will get 12, and 12 is divisible by 4 and 12 is also divisible by 3. So 12 is going to be my LCM. And how to find out the HCF? For HCF also I have made the video. So if you will see this video first to find out the LCM and HCF, then you will be able to understand that what I am going to tell in this video. So HCF of denominator is what? 5 into 7. So HCF of these are two prime numbers and HCF of prime numbers is always 1. So LCM of this fraction is going to be equal to 12. Okay, so moving to the next question. Next question says what? 2, 3 and 5. So what will be the LCM of this? LCM of my numerator will be 2 into 3 6 and 6 into 5 it will be 30, because these are the simple numbers, so you can find out the LCM directly. But if some bigger number is given to you and you have to find out, like suppose this is given to you, 112 is divided by 213, 212 is divided by 415 and 712 is divided by 312. So how you will be able to find out LCM of such big fractions? Okay, so for that you have to understand the trick of finding LCM and HCF. So moving to this part, 3, 7 and 7. So HCF of this is going to be equal to 1. So LCM of this fraction will be equal to 30. So moving to the last question, which is 2 by 3, 4 by 9, 5 by 6 and 7 by 12. So LCM of this fraction will be what? LCM of this fraction will be, now you have to find out LCM of the 4 numbers 2, 4, 5 and 7. So what you will do, you will first imagine that your bigger number is your LCM. Now check that with this LCM is divided by all the numbers or not, because I have told you in my previous videos also, LCM is somewhat related to dividend and HCF is somewhat related to divisor. Okay, so this 7 is divisible by 2? No. So we will make the factors of this 2, which is equal to 2 into 1, and then multiply our number 7 with each factor. So I will get 14, and check that if this 14 is divisible by 2. Yes, 14 is divisible by 2. So 14 can be my LCM. Next, moving to the number 4. So is 14 divisible by 4? No. So again I will write down factors of this 4. 4 factor of 4 will be 2 into 2, and multiply my assumed LCM with each factor. So 14 into 2 will give me equal to 28. So 28 is again divisible by 4. Now check out with 5. 28 is divisible by 5? No. So write down the factors of 5. Factors of 5 will be 5 into 1. So if I will do multiplication of 28 into 5, then what I will get? I will get 140. Okay, so this is divisible by 5 also, and check that it is divisible by 7 also. So LCM of this number is going, these four numbers is going to be equal to 140. Okay, and what would be the HCF of 3, 9, 6 and 12? HCF of 3, 9, 6 and 12 is going to be 3. So my LCM of this fraction is going to be equal to 140 by 3. Okay. If you find this video useful for you, then please do like, share and subscribe my channel so that you can get more updates of my new videos. So let's meet in the next video, in which we are going to learn the trick how to find HCF of the numbers which are given in the fraction. So till then, take care and bye bye.